It's not every day you get to work on one of these. This windshield isn't broken, but what happened is this gasket, I don't know if you can see it, but it's cracking. That's not good for a water seal. And it's doing it on all the corners. All of the corners. So we're more so doing this to replace the gasket for a water seal. But he did mention it was pitted up, so it's time to get a new glass while they're still available. So we're gonna knock that out for him.